What up, guys? Today we're going to be going over Zephyr protocol. As you guys know, the price has been going in a dumper, but this is a coin I'm mad bullish on for the next bull run because that's kind of funny to say. But yeah, I think this coin is going to pop off and do really well. I'm going to show you guys some evidence of that. We're going to do some technical analysis. I honestly just put a new CPU on it, not a new CPU, a CPU that I had saved aside for a gaming PC going in Zephyr. But yeah, we're gonna do some charting. Also at the end of the video, I'm going to talk about two coins that I also think could pop off at the end of the bull run. They're also CPU mineable. I definitely recommend stacking a mini bag, holding on to it. These coins could potentially pop off. Like, you know how Zephyr went to the moon? These coins could go to the moon too. So go ahead, like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 300 subscribers. Also, don't forget, check out the links down below. They'll make you some money. They'll make me some money. We'll both become crypto millionaires this bull run. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to be going over Zephyr. I'm starting to really love these like TA style go over videos. They're kind of getting fun. But besides the point, Zephyr protocol, as you guys know, it's supposed to be like a 4 times back stablecoin. I think stablecoins are going to be really big coming up in the next bull run, purely out of the fact that like countries are going to be working on CBDCs, even though America may not necessarily have theirs rolled out by the end of 2024. Other countries are. Believe like India and Brazil are in the process of rolling out their CBDCs or really close. Other places like England and the UK too, something like that. Don't quote me. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but yeah. So as you guys know, Monero's been the top dog for the longest time. And yeah, but Zephyr has a stable dollar, which I think can be potentially really well, especially in the, because it's a privacy coin. So moving $1 million and having it being able to be hidden versus not. Yeah, I think there's going to be definitely a lot of room for Zephyr. Currently, there's only $1 million, $1.1 million in circulation of the stable dollars, and I think that's extremely low. This could easily be like $25-50 million in stable dollars. So I definitely think this project currently is undervalued. Currently Zephyr is sitting at a market cap rank of 666, the number of the devil. That's a really good place for this project right now, because the price has not been pretty. It is down over 28% over the last 30 days. We are down more than 50% from the recent all-time high on Zephyr, currently sitting at 1227. I did sell some. I have been buying into Zephyr on the way down. I plan on doing a really big buy here shortly. Let's go and check out their Twitter really quick, see what they're talking about over here. Also, the price of XBet's been down. I would definitely recommend go watching my video, use my link, hop on XBet. The price is down. They're working on releasing their PvP. This is a fun little cool project. It's cool. Go check it out. That's not what you're here for. But yeah, as you guys know, Zephyr's website was down for a couple of days. They're still relatively active on Twitter. Yeah, this price action's bad. Go back over here. Don't need their Twitter anymore. But yeah, let's see if I can find better chart. Let's go to their 3-month chart. Zephyr recently had a high of around 50 bucks. We'll use a different chart from that, but as you guys can see, Zephyr is mad down lately. CoinGecko just recently redid their website, so it makes everything a pain in the butt. So November 23rd, Zephyr hit a high of 52, currently down. That's kind of sad, but we're going to come over to our handy dandy chart. This is the chart we've been working on the channel. I would definitely recommend you guys go back and rewatch some of the videos, just so you guys can understand this chart a little bit more and how it's gotten here. But yeah, as you guys can see, we drew this line before, which was a really strong downtrend. Zephyr followed said downtrend. And yeah, let's see what we can find and add to our chart today. So currently we have this hard resistance level of around 674. If we come over here and zoom in, we could potentially see another resistance area around this $9 range, or yeah, we'll say between $9 and $9.30. And like, as you guys know, always remember, is technical analysis is never going to be a definite. It's going to go here. It's just more of helping us understand why and where it can go and when. Just kind of like a really fun estimating game. But as you guys can see, the chart we drew earlier, I'm not a professional. I'm still learning this technical analysis and whatnot, and that's part of this channel. We're going to do these charts together, learn technical analysis together. That's why you should go ahead and like and subscribe, because by the time I'm like one of those super good trading on 100x leverage technical analysis guys, you'll be there with me. But yeah, so we've been just drawing this chart as the chart's been showing us what to draw essentially. But we'll put that resistance there. We could potentially see something right here in this $9 range, but yeah, so if we were going to draw some trend lines off of where we're at right now, we have this strong trend line going straight down to 6. So if Zephyr was going to show a reversal, I could definitely see it bouncing off of this, and we'll draw it through our current point. Let's zoom in so we can actually see what's going on here. So if we were to potentially see a reversal from Zephyr, I could definitely see, hopefully we can hit this line, this range right here, around this $11-10 range. If we can ride around that and then follow this line up as a line of resistance, following this $11 as a support, we could definitely be back into the 20s, potentially by the end of February, which if you guys were looking to buy some, could be a good point. But on the top end, showing resistance for our trend line, if we draw it with at least 2 points touching through here, so I would say coming up towards the end of this month or in the next couple of days, this range right here for Zephyr is going to be very important, because if we break out to the upside, I could definitely see us getting back up to potentially, if we hit in this range here, get a paintbrush, we can draw. So if we can follow up into this range and then ride this line right here as resistance and then potentially break up from there, that would be really good. But also what could potentially, sorry about that, nose hairs are itchy. What could also happen with Zephyr is we could break up into here, and this range, if we do fall into this range, it's going to be pretty crucial, because if we hit up into that way, then that's going to be really bullish reversal, because we'll have the down and then back to the up. But if Zephyr decides to take a colder approach, we can, if we fall down past this 11 range in the next couple of days, we could potentially ride through here and then find some support around the $6, or a really bad resistance between this $5 and $6 range, which may not be the best for Zephyr. But in the long term, I am still really bullish on this project for one reason. Currently, the top 100 cryptocurrency is Bonk. Currently, Zephyr is sitting at 666. If Zephyr were to break the top 100, that would be a 17.9x. Like, that's some gains right there. That would put Zephyr at 218. So for every Zephyr you would have, would be 218 bucks. That's a lot. Currently I've mined like 7 Zephyr. That would be $1,526.29 just for mining Zephyr. Just for Zephyr. So yeah, I definitely think this project is in the long term going to be a really good. Yeah, it's facing some junk in the short term, but as you guys can see, we're coming up to a pivotal point to where we've closed in, we've built resistance in all of these ranges here. So people have bought here. So people are going to be waiting to sell here. People have bought here. They're going to be waiting to sell here. People have bought here. They're going to be waiting to sell here. Definitely, if we do hit closer to the 6 or 7, this $5 or $6 range, I am going to put like $200-300 in Zephyr, just because. Let's go over here. At current prices, where did CoinGecko move it? At current prices, if I bought 200 Zephyr, that would be 16.26 Zephyr. If we come over here to market cap of that, 16.26 Zephyr would be $3,547. And then if we were to double that and make it 32.5162, 32.62, go with 32.62. That would put me at 7,984.71. So yeah, literally, if you buy $200 of Zephyr at the bottom, it breaks the top 100, $10,000. Easy, cool. Okay, so the other coins I'm thinking about that could potentially pop off in this bull run, one of them looking at is Tabo. It's essentially a straight up Monero fork. Like I was saying, privacy coins could do really big in the next bull run, so I think this coin could potentially do really well. Has a total supply of around 18 million, block time of 1 minute and 20 seconds. Yeah, I think it just released in 2024 right for the bull run, so people are going to hear about it. Here it's a privacy coin, knowing everything going about CBDs. I think it's going to pop off. I definitely think DPIN, proof of work, and privacy are going to be some really big narratives, along with SocialFi, like that expert. So definitely recommend you guys go check out that video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, because we're trying to get rich. We're trying to help you get rich. Also, Patreon's going to get put up later this week. I think I'm going to do it free for the first month. So if you guys are interested in that Patreon, it's going to have like my overclocks whenever I find new projects and just daily updates. I'm thinking about doing it around $3 to $5 a month. If that sounds good, comment down below what you guys think about it. Also, comment down below what coins you guys are mining, what bags we're stacking, and the final cryptocurrency. I think you guys might want to stack a little bit of value while it's easy. Ooh, sorry about that. It's going to be Vish.ai. It's another CPU mineable coin. I think this one has some really interesting things going on with it. I'm not going to talk too much of it because I haven't done too much research on it, but I definitely recommend you guys should check it out. Potentially stack a bag of it. One thing I have been looking at is they have this somewhat gnarly of a reduction schedule in their emissions, and I think that could do really good things for the project. So I'm going to try and mine a little bag of it before the emissions get really bad, because that could lead to really good price, especially coming into a bull run. Bitcoin's halving's like 90 days away from today, so yeah, I think that could be really interesting. They have a max supply of 13 billion with a block time of around 60 seconds and a masternode. Masternodes are always fun, and right now it's really cheap, so mine that back while you can. Yeah, if you guys like this kind of videos, go ahead, like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 300 subscribers. Also, don't forget to check out the links down below. They'll make you some money. They'll make me some money. Right now, I would definitely recommend checking out that K1pool with all these new ETH hash coins popping up. Just keeping your ETH hash miners, like your iPools and whatnot, on K1pool. I definitely recommend it. Use that link down below. It'll help you out. It'll help me out. Let's get into it, or let's go. Peace out. Have a good time. Bye.